Okay, so for problem 10, we are asked um, to compute for Wales Corporation's operational income if the wave division is discontinued. And the second question, which is actually related dun sa number one, is should the wave division be discontinued? So we focus dun sa wave division's segment margin, which is actually negative 25,000 pesos. So to answer number one, of course, our starting point is the given overall income of Wales, which is 25,000. Now, if you are going to eliminate the wave division, what will you eliminate is actually the negative segment margin of 25,000. Ay, hindi yung 62,500, no? It's only the 25,000 because the 37,500 cost of wave as shown on the income statement, the 37,500 is only allocated. So even if you discontinue the wave division, the 37,500 allocated cost will not disappear. So what will disappear is actually the 25,000 negative segment margin. So, if you are going to eliminate negative 25, that means an additional 25,000 income for the whole company. So, you add that to the original company income of 25,000. That means the income of the company as a whole after eliminating wave is 50,000 pesos, which leads us to answer question number two. Should wave division be discontinued? Definitely. Because wave division has a negative segment margin. So it will be better to drop the wave division to improve the overall company income.